Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm MC Go 101, and in today's video I want to do an unboxing video on this brand new Champion portable generator. Now I'll list the reasons why I got it. We just recently moved into the country. I'm about 15-20 minutes to the closest city slash town, and in the year and a bit that we've been here we have had a few power outages. So you know, we do have a little one now, and I don't want to take any chances in the winter. So I want to make sure that I do have running water, a running sewer pump, and of course heat. I don't want frozen pipes. So I decided on this unit. It's obviously 11,250 starting watts with 9,000 running. This particular model is just gas only. It doesn't run on propane, but I got a good deal on it, so I'm going to stick with that. But yeah, so I just wanted to run you through it, and we'll get it off the truck and we'll show you what's inside. Alright, so a bit of a struggle. I did get it off the truck. One thing to note is this unit is actually very, very heavy. If I had to ballpark, I'm pretty sure it's at least 250 pounds. But it does give you some nice reference guides, stuff like that. You have to forgive the box. When I picked it up, it was pouring rain, 100-kilometer-an-hour winds. Yeah, so I kind of struggled to get it into the truck, but that's fine. Alright, let's crack this bad boy open. So, their trusty X-Acto. Got one of these, just a how-to, what not to do. Okay, looks like we got an accessory kit. I'll put that to the side. Actually, you know what? Let's open that right now. See what kind of goodies we got. We're going to have our nice wheels. It also comes with a small charging kit. In this bag is also pins for the wheels, a little oil funnel, and in this box, this will be the front legs for the unit. There's not much to it. It's basically just two rubber stoppers, mounts to the front. Alright, so we'll get this out of the way. And there it is. Yep, she's a beast. A nice juicy instruction booklet. We'll definitely go over that. Now, since this is so heavy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the edges of the box. Just being careful not to actually cut the unit. So I got lots of space over here. We'll start here. There's one. Alright. So, first thing I do notice is there is a little bit of a oil spill on this side. But we'll come to that issue when we get there. Got our nice little handle. Cool, let's do a quick walk around. So here's the brand new Champion generator in person. All nice and shiny. Comes with the electric start. There's a little pool of fluid I was talking about. All these good inputs, IntelliGauge, power meters, breakers. That's good. Looks good. And there's our pull start. Got our choke. So yeah, looking like a nice unit. So what I'm going to do is just take a break and we'll get the wheels on it. Let's get started. Alright, and real quick I'll just show you how the back wheels go on. So we got a simple pin like that. Got your wheel. You'll notice that this is recessed in and this one's out. So we're going to start with the recessed center. And then that'll slide through the back. And then we got a tiny little key that's going to go into that tire bolt or pin, sorry. Yeah. So pretty simple. All right. Now let's get it into position and we'll get the front feet on. All right, so let's get the front stabilizer feet in place. So all I did is grab the handle, tipped it back, nice and carefully, of course. We have our stand. You can tell that it goes right there. You'll find your mounting hardware in with the other accessories. So I'll start with one. May have to hold it. Once you get the thread started, you can do it by hand. Same with this side. Lift the handle, get access. And we'll spin that on. Now, I'm just going to snug that up and we'll put her back flat. Alright, camera messed up there. But yeah, so break-in period, conventional oil. After 5 hours, we're going to drain, refill with 530 full synthetic. So it didn't come with oil, but it did come with a funnel. So we'll take our drain plug out. Now I'm going to do this in stages because I have a sneaky feeling that there's a little bit of oil left in it from the factory for some reason. So I'm going to start with half a liter, see where that gets us. Gonna grab one more rag. And let's check our oil. So we'll wipe this clean. according to the manual, when checking oil level, you do not have to stick the drain plug, you don't have to screw it in. It's just put it in there, get a reading. So not screwing it in, still got nothing on the dipstick. Let's keep going. Just being careful not to overfill. So that's almost a whole liter. We'll check it again. And we have oil on the dipstick. Again, that's without screwing it in. Almost over 3/4 mark, so just a little bit left should top it up. Beautiful. And we'll check it again. Clean up our mess. Alright, so to my surprise, 1 liter of oil is actually a little bit short. But I do just happen to have some 530 for backup. So I don't think it needs much. Excellent. Looking good. Now, during the break-in period, it is recommended to check your oil level. So I'll probably let it run for an hour. I'll stop it, check it, and go from there. And it is now full. It's a little bit weird of a design. It's kind of on an angle. So just do your best. You're going to tighten that up good and snug. But not too tight you can't get it out. We'll wipe it clean. So we're going to clean up our mess, and I'm going to bring it outside and we'll get it gassed up. All right, guys, so we are ready for our initial fire up. I just went and got some high test gas. The manual stated that it had a 29-liter tank. I had a 25-liter jerry can, and 25 liters seemed to fill it right up to the top. Just a side note, but it's all gassed up, oiled up, batteries hooked up. So yeah, let's get to it. The manual does say try and keep 5 feet of free space all the way around it. So I'm going to move it out to the middle of the driveway, and then we'll walk you through the startup process. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. Take our nice handle. And we'll walk you through the things you need to do. Get her fired up. All right. So first things first, we're going to flip our gas on. So on the side, you'll see this little fuel lever. We're going to put that down, and then we're going to run the choke in the choke position just until it fires up. Then we'll go back to the run position. So without further ado, let's see how it works. So I moved about 25 feet away. It's a generator. It's not that quiet, but it's not overly loud. But yeah, so in a nutshell, that's how you set up your brand new Champion generator. Hopefully this helps somebody. I can't wait to get it wired up into the house. I'm still not sure how I'm going to do that. There is a few options. I've considered the GenerLink that goes right on your smart meter, and I'm also considering a transfer switch, but I'll leave that for a separate video. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and run it through its 5-hour break-in, and then I'm going to change the oil, and then I'm going to get it wired into the house. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps somebody, and if you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe and hit that like button. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.